want to talk about is the quick access bar. So this is on the left side, this little area. So this is just Windows' way of making things easier for you. See that there are these thumbtacks on the right side. That means that these items have been pinned to the quick access. So if I want to, if I know that I'm always going to look at a certain file or folder, and I want it just for easy access, which is what quick access is, I can go to that file. Doesn't matter if it's on an external drive or your internal drive, you can pin it there. So if I right click and I hit this pin to access, to quick access, you'll see now that images folder will pop up on my quick access bar. One thing to remember is if you do pin something from an external drive and you try to access it when that drive is not in your computer, it's not going to let you. But it will whenever you put that drive back into your computer. So it's a little weird whenever if you try to pin stuff from external drives, but it can totally be done. This is just easier for internal storage, in my opinion. Like the documents is already up there, downloads is already up there, Windows has put that up there just to make it easier, but you can change those things. If I no longer want something pinned, I can right click it and then unpin from quick access and it'll go away. These folders over here, you'll see there are four folders that don't have pins on them. Those are just some of my recent folders that I've accessed, or folders that I've accessed often, recently. So that will change depending on how you're using your computer. Let's see, I think you can also, pin this way. So if I drag my file, and let's say I want to keep it in this access, I can drag it, left click, hold and drag, and then you see it changes to pin to quick access. I can let it go, and now that file is pinned over there to the quick access.